Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we will be going through the top 5 over-the-counter Forex brokers. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Let's get started. At number 5 on the list, we have FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN Zero, ECN and FXTM Pro accounts, with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, and eBooks for you to learn, watch, browse through, and read as you please. Coming in at number 4, we have FPMarkets. FPMarkets is an Australian, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts with up to 50 tradable base currency options, metals, indices, and commodities. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FPMarkets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library and a few eBooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies. At number 3 on the list, we have Alpari. Alpari is another great globally recognized, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Micro, Forex ECN, and Pro accounts with up to 4 tradable base currency options, floating and fixed spreads, swap-free options, and more. Alpari also provides their very own beginner's guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to for a more personal, educational experience. Coming in at number 2, we have Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own web terminal, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro accounts with low minimum deposits, lower spreads, and more. Exness also provides their very own Trading Academy, which delves into the essentials of trading, multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to browse through as you please. And last but not least, at number 1 on the list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is another online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, FX options, ETFs, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative account balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Avatrade's Web Trader, and for mobile trading activities, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides great educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides that delve into professional trading techniques, economic indicators, and various educational trading methods and topics for you to browse through as you please. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the #1 broker, most innovative CFD broker, the best affiliate program, most trustworthy broker, and a variety of others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online, fully regulated financial broker. And those are the top 5 best over-the-counter Forex brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.